For all the adult professionals, your risk is different. Same with me. I want you to weigh your pros and cons. Hainan mas matimbang. With me, inilan ako ng example nga may hatag, kaya ansyanin akong ginhimo. I decided to sacrifice my time with my family. So, ang ginasakripisyo ko, ang oras nga kaupod ko na akong pamilya. That's why, here, I make sure nga every decision that I'll do here is actually worthy of the sacrifices I am making right now. And not only me, lalo na ikaw, kung may pamilya ka na, di-rely ka on magsasakripisyo, patihira. So, think of it, and ako na pinagnahawakan, delayed gratification. And that means, sacrifice a little and celebrate later. So, mas maupay nga yan na ka magsakripisyo nga later on, more time mo na maprovidean mo na imo parents, ang imo pamilya, nga magka-urupod ka mo. Salamat ang pagkita ha!